Hello learners, welcome back to Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy. In the last video, we walked through the purchase requisition process, the very first step that signals a material need. Today, we move to the second crucial step in the procurement cycle, purchase inquiry, also known as request for quotation or RFQ. This is where your internal need reaches the outside world to vendors in a structured, trackable, and professional manner. What is a purchase inquiry? A purchase inquiry is an internal document that's sent externally to multiple vendors to request quotations for items mentioned in the requisition. It includes item description, quantity delivery timelines, technical commercial specs, terms and conditions. The goal? To receive competitive vendor quotes in a structured and comparable format. In Lighthouse ERP, a single inquiry number is used to track all quotes received from multiple vendors, giving you a clear centralized view. RFQs can be raised against a specific intent or based on a direct order. For one or multiple vendor, this step is critical. It sets the tone for price negotiations, timelines, and vendor communication. Why is it important? Let's understand why purchase inquiry matters so much in the process. Vendor communication formalizes requirements and expectations. Quotation comparison enables price, quality, and delivery term analysis. Negotiation support helps initiate fair vendor discussions. Traceability, all quotations are tracked under one Enquiry ID. Procurement speed, structured RFQs, reduce back and forth and response time. Flexible vendor selection. You can select multiple vendors and reuse previous indents or orders for convenience. Without a well-managed inquiry process, purchases may become uncompetitive, unclear, or undocumented, and that's risky for business. Prerequisites. Before creating a purchase inquiry in Lighthouse ERP, let's make sure the following are ready. System prerequisites. Voucher series configuration with transaction code, T-code. E and transaction nature, T-nature. ENQI approved indent or order number to link the RFQ user rights. Proper role setup is required for create, edit, delete, approve. Vendor master data. Vendors should already be created in the system. Terms and conditions templates defined by series. Optional but helpful. Pressing F9 allows users to fetch approved indents or orders directly into the RFQ screen. Step-by-step process. Let's now walk through the RFQ creation and listing screen. This is the purchase inquiry creation screen. The user fills in series, indent or order reference item details, item code, description, quantity, vendor details, single or multiple delivery timeline, item priority, technical attachments, if any, terms and conditions. Bonus. You can copy from previous transactions or manually enter items. Once submitted, the RFQ is auto-assigned a unique number for tracking quotations from all vendors selected. Dude, here's the inquiry list screen showing all open RFQs with status filters like pending, sent quotation received, closed. You can track which vendors responded, compare their quotes, and take the best call, all in one place. This visibility is powerful for your purchase team. Smart Features Lighthouse ERP also packs in some smart tools to make RFQ management efficient. Smart features. One inquiry, multiple vendors. Saves effort. Ensures fairness comparison sheet. Quotes from all vendors can be analyzed easily. Attach files. Add item-wise technical drawings or specs. Excel export, RFQ, report for offline analysis and negotiation. TNC section, per series, fully customizable. Duplicate check, prevent sending multiple inquiries to same vendor. Pending inquiry status, know what's yet to be quoted. All of this ensures your RFQ process is structured, auditable, and vendor-friendly. Real-life example. Let's say the production team raised a requisition for 10 hydraulic hoses. The purchase team picks the approved indent, creates an inquiry for 4 selected vendors. Vendors receive detailed specs and submit quotes. System tracks responses under a single inquiry number. The best quote is selected based on price, terms, and delivery. And just like that, you've created a transparent, efficient, and auditable vendor interaction cycle. Let's recap what we covered today. What is purchase inquiry? RFQ. Why it's essential in procurement system setup. And prerequisites, screens for creation and tracking. Smart features like Excel export, duplicate checks, and TNC mapping. A real-world example of vendor quotation management. In the next video, we'll move to the purchase quotation process, where vendor responses are recorded, compared, and evaluated for the best selection. Only after that do we move toward purchase order creation, so stay tuned. If you found this walkthrough helpful, do like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more ERP learning content. Got any doubts about RFQ or vendor management? Drop your questions in the comments. We're here to help. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing with Lighthouse Alchemy ERP Academy.